Hi, in this video segment, we're going to show you how to use subscriptions in Stripe with your Paycove invoices. For this video, I'll be using Pipedrive, but you can perform similar actions with HubSpot as well. To set up your accounts now, click the links below. This video covers the following topics: creating subscriptions in Stripe, applying subscriptions in Paycove, and applying discounts to subscriptions for your invoices. Let's get started. First, in Stripe, we will create a new subscription. Begin by creating a new product. We will call this one Example Subscription. Make sure it is a recurring quantity subscription. For this example, we will set the price at $50 to be charged every 3 months. Now go to your products section in Paycove. Under subscription plans, you can see all your subscriptions listed from Stripe. Click Import Stripe Plans to refresh. Here you can see the new example subscription at the top of the list. Next, create a new deal in your CRM and attach a new product. In our deal, we can see that the product is listed with a set price of $0. Back in Products in Paycove, I can click Import Pipedrive Products to see the new subscription. Then, under the column Default Products Pricing, change the price to match any subscription plan. This plan will override any price you set in your deal. Remember to save your changes. Going back to the quote, you can see that the product has now been converted to a subscription with the proper price of $50. Let's go back to Pipedrive and enter a discount for this example. Although the price is overridden by the subscription, Paycove will still honor any discounts entered to the product through the CRM. Then, in Paycove, hit refresh to sync your deal with any changes that we just made in the CRM. Here you can see that the discount of 50% has been applied to the subscription in the quote. For more help on utilizing Paycove's features, click on the screen now to check out more articles and videos. Thanks for watching!